Let's have a quick look at this DEWENWILS. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I could be mistaken. But let's have a quick look at this Wi-Fi controller for a pool pump. You can use it for a hot water heater or pretty much anything that runs on 220 volts or 220 volts around your home. Now, this is the second one I purchased from this company. As you can see here, I have a mechanical timer and it works great. I made a video about it. You might want to check it out. But it works absolutely fantastic. I have it turning on my pool pump multiple times a day, but I really wanted more control. Now, you might be asking yourself, what's the difference between this one and the other Wi-Fi controllers that this company sells? Well, this one is exclusively 220 volts. And the reason I picked it is because I believe if it's dedicated to 220 volts, it might be stronger inside. In other words, the relay that picks up, or however they do it, track, or however heck they do it, I believe that it must be stronger. Now, this one does come in a metal case, unlike this one, which is plastic, and we can check that by putting a magnet on it. Here's what comes in the box. Now, inside the cover, you'll see a QR code to download the app. Now, we'll get to that in just a minute. There's an instruction book that comes with this, and it's very easy to follow. It also has a detailed wiring chart that's pretty straightforward. Now, this is a solid metal case, as I indicated before, and if you're going to mount it outside, it has a nice gasket around the inside of the cover to keep water out. To be honest, this is much heavier than I expected, and that's usually the first sign of a well-built piece of hardware. And by the way, this old digital controller I'm replacing isn't going to waste. I'm going to repurpose it for my hot water heater. Now, before you touch anything on the installation, make absolutely certain that the power is turned off at the breaker. You got some knockout plugs on the bottom to run your lines through, where you can use a strain relief or a Romex connector to keep everything secure. Now, since I'm using a 4-conductor 10-gauge wire, I only need to use one main cable run, but that means I need to run a separate dedicated ground. Open up the cover, scan the QR code, and grab the app. You'll want to be standing right near the controller during the setup so your cell phone can talk to the controller and get paired. Now, this is a Wi-Fi unit, but it actually uses Bluetooth to do the initial setup with your phone, so make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on before you start. You'll go through the standard setup procedure, which means creating an account and entering the verification code sent to your email. Now, once the installation is done, you can test it out. I really like this big on and off button in the app. Let's turn the unit on, walk outside, and verify that the pump is running. And as you can see, I hooked it up correctly. Now, I'm juggling a tablet and a cell phone here, but let's just see how easy it is to turn the pump on and off using the app. The app software allows you to program up to 15 different on and off cycles a day, and you can build your own custom schedule right in the app. Now, I'm setting mine up to mirror my old schedule. It'll kick on every 2 hours during the day, then shut down at 9 p.m. and stay off all night. Now let me show you how to set the timer. And as you can see, I already started my on-off cycles, and you can see that I have it coming on at 9 a.m. I want to run the pump for 2 hours until 11 a.m. Let's go ahead and set that. And by the way, that's why during the initial setup, the app asks for your location, because it automatically sets the clock. You never have to set the clock, change it, or update it. Well, there you go, folks. Now, from my point of view, this is a solid controller. Now, when you take into account the price and all the smart features, I personally think it's an excellent value, and I definitely recommend it.